Welcome back to VitaFusion Secrets, your go-to channel for the latest insights into health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as sweet as it is concerning: sugar. We all know it adds that irresistible taste to our favorite treats, but do we truly understand what it does to our bodies? In this video, we'll uncover the surprising and sometimes shocking impact of sugar consumption on your health. From its role in obesity to its connection with diabetes and heart disease, we'll break down everything you need to know about this sweet but sneaky ingredient. The science of sugar. Let's start with the basics. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies use for energy. When we eat foods containing sugar, our digestive system breaks it down into glucose, which then enters our bloodstream. This triggers the release of insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps our cells absorb glucose for energy. But here's the catch: not all sugars are created equal. There are naturally occurring sugars found in fruits and vegetables which come with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Then there are added sugars, the kind found in sodas, candies, and many processed foods. These sugars are often stripped of any nutritional value, making them empty calories. And it's these added sugars that can wreak havoc on our health. Sugar and obesity. One of the most well-known consequences of excessive sugar consumption is weight gain. When we consume more sugar than our bodies need for energy, the excess is converted into fat and stored in our fat cells. Over time, this can lead to obesity, a major risk factor for a host of chronic conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. But why is sugar so strongly linked to obesity? The answer lies in the way our bodies process it. Unlike foods that are rich in protein or fiber, sugary foods are often digested quickly, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This spike is followed by a sharp drop, which can leave us feeling tired, irritable, and craving more sugar. This cycle of sugar highs and lows can contribute to overeating, especially of sugary foods, leading to weight gain over time. Sugar and diabetes. Now, let's talk about diabetes, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. There are two main types of diabetes: type 1, where the body doesn't produce enough insulin, and type 2, where the body becomes resistant to insulin. While type 1 diabetes is largely genetic, type 2 diabetes is strongly linked to lifestyle factors, including diet. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin. This means that more insulin is required to manage blood sugar levels, putting a strain on the pancreas. Over time, the pancreas may struggle to keep up, leading to high blood sugar levels and eventually, type 2 diabetes. But it's not just the added sugars that contribute to this problem. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and pasta, can also cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, further increasing the risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. Sugar and heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and sugar plays a significant role in its development. High sugar intake has been linked to increased levels of triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood that is associated with a higher risk of heart disease. Additionally, diets high in sugar can lead to chronic inflammation, which is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become clogged with fatty deposits. Moreover, consuming large amounts of sugar can lead to high blood pressure, another major risk factor for heart disease. This is because excess sugar, particularly fructose, can cause the kidneys to retain sodium, leading to increased fluid in the bloodstream and consequently, higher blood pressure. The hidden sources of sugar. You might be thinking, I don't eat that much sugar. But sugar is often hiding in places you wouldn't expect. It's not just in desserts and sweets. It's also in sauces, salad dressings, breads, and even so-called healthy foods like granola bars and yogurt. Food manufacturers often add sugar to improve taste and extend shelf life, and it's listed under many different names on ingredient labels. High fructose corn syrup, sucrose, glucose, and dextrose are just a few examples. This hidden sugar can add up quickly, making it easy to exceed the recommended daily limit without even realizing it. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 6 teaspoons 25 grams of added sugar per day for women and 9 teaspoons 36 grams for men. Yet, the average person consumes more than double these amounts, largely due to hidden sugars. How to reduce sugar intake. Reducing sugar intake doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods. Instead, it's about making smarter choices. Start by reading food labels carefully and being mindful of the ingredients in the foods you buy. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Another effective strategy is to gradually cut back on sugary foods and drinks. If you're used to drinking sugary beverages, try switching to water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. When it comes to snacks, reach for fruits, nuts, or yogurt instead of cookies or candy. Cooking at home is another great way to control your sugar intake. When you prepare your own meals, you have complete control over the ingredients, allowing you to limit added sugars and experiment with healthier alternatives. The benefits of cutting back on sugar. So, what happens when you cut back on sugar? The benefits can be profound. In the short term, you may notice more stable energy levels, fewer cravings, and better mood regulation. Over time, reducing sugar can lead to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and a lower risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Cutting back on sugar can also improve your skin health. High sugar intake has been linked to increased production of advanced glycation in products ages, which are compounds that can damage collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging and wrinkles. And let's not forget about your teeth. Sugar is a major contributor to tooth decay. When you eat sugary foods, the bacteria in your mouth produce acid that erodes tooth enamel, leading to cavities. By reducing sugar intake, you can help protect your teeth and maintain a healthy smile. The sweet truth about sugar. In conclusion, while sugar may taste sweet, its impact on your health is anything but. From contributing to obesity and diabetes to increasing the risk of heart disease and tooth decay, the effects of sugar consumption are far-reaching and significant. But the good news is that by making mindful choices and reducing your sugar intake, you can protect your health and enjoy a higher quality of life. Remember, it's not about eliminating sugar entirely, but about finding a balance that works for you. By being aware of the hidden sources of sugar and making small, sustainable changes to your diet, you can enjoy the sweetness of life without the bitter consequences. Thank you for joining us today on VitaFusion Secrets. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness insights. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.